back again, guys. I don't know. I'm going to see the face, hear the voice. You know what the Irons boss. So guess what going on? Welcome to Ironsing TV. Fresh and cool. I'm not going to say school. I owe them man. I guess what going on now? This is the next episode of the Burn Off Sunday. I want a different. That one is in the vehicle. In the vehicle style. But guess what going on? We got all that vibe a while ago and something we see in the street because as I'm telling you before, I talk about things I'm saying daily, you see it, so you know? I'm going to burn off a few things right there and then. So guess what now? Flipper. Hold on, no, I'm start that one. The first burn off today is some boy let them good girl. Yeah man. About a year. Burn off on your youth. What you know? Burn off. You don't have no style. Brother, but in a time like this, brother, you need a good lady at your foot. And because maybe for that one day, the girl they look good. And if you're a good woman, but is I'm telling you a key thing. When you look the girl them, first thing you do, whisper in them ears and check behind it.
Yeah.
And see how it look.
Yes, bruise up.
Every bruise up.
The bruise up and what's that matter is.
Every bruise up. You know what you're about to use, you know me? I guess I go on now. From what day I think I go around in with skilly bag. They must say the basket jacket. But I don't tell you what I'm going to do. Yo, they go burn off on the girl them now. Where I give the man them jacket and want the man them to accept the jacket.
Them bright self.
Yeah. That's style. That's style.
You know how work.
You know I'm going to work.
Right, you're fucked.
That not for work out. Cause I guess I go on now. They can't get the man jacket. Go find the pitney father. And then now, when the man don't accept the jacket, is a problem. Me not say the reason why. You should be okay with it. To give the youth to him rightful father. Yeah? So me not say what I go on. Yeah. And guess what? Hold on. What do you go on today? With the youth on the beach. But after one day. That one day I feel. But after one day. Yeah man, that one day I feel. That's but after. Just say it how you want to say it. Anyhow.
Any guy pose the woman. I know it's not female man.
Yes, so what you know? Yeah, burn off on the pussy black at them. Yeah man.
Pose.
Yeah, pose to the girl.
I know it's not
while me did it and want me the approach. But because you pose up, me can't step forward. You know what I mean? So what you know? Burn off on them boy. We are posed up beside the girl them, knowing that I don't fit them girl. Yeah man, I had to say that.
Okay, girl them.
Yeah man, I just know. I'm gonna burn off on the girl them right now who see you and like you and don't want to approach. Why is that so? Comment down below my friend. You, yeah man, you me attack you like me and tell me. How I go on? No, approach them man. I have hand on my fight, I not go book my friend.
I'll tell you what it is.
Tell them what go on now. What time of day is it? You know what I mean? So what you go on now? Hold on. I feel like I want to burn off something again, you know. I want to burn off something. I don't burn off. You know? Yeah man. I like to say them man. I like something that go on and yo. I'm back at thing. Yeah man. So as me say now, leave it here now, I are confused if they burn off right now. Because a bag of things I see. I mean, I want something to inappropriate, you see it? You burn off something.
And the ugly girl may be hard to get. Like, you don't get it?
Like,
clear I was.
Like when them ugly, them to the barrier.
Yeah.
But
they don't have strength that
takes me look for you. Plus you go approach you and make up my mind to go approach.
That's my time, that's why I ask you and see my question.
I know so you I'm approach you know. But I notice the pretty girl easy to get, you know. I'm not saying easy to get in, but then they understand what I want. And ugly girl, me know them just play one. Oh yo. Even though I feel them game name, you know, rough like Neil. Yeah man. That's how you said it. You know what the Irons boss? And they're the flipper than see me. And I'll be say, I want to name in the vehicle but now.
Yeah.
Just all a vibe, see a few things, experience a few things. And we say, yo, watch out, hold on. While me I drive, We just say I think a while ago. Church that keep them put some chair outside. Yeah man. So that's what people are going to make you know what I'm going while me at here. Because as I say yo, that one is a driving burnout. Mobile burnout, you see it? So guess what go on? At the Irons Boss, at the Ironsing TV. You know what I mean? Fresh and cool. How we not gonna say school? I owe them man. I'm out.